What is up everyone? In today's video I'm going to show you how to fix apps not working in Realme C75x. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and here you can see the option system and update. Now click on it and then click on software update. Now here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After update a latest version, then go back and click on backup and reset. Now again click on reset phone and then here you can see the option reset all settings. Now click on reset all settings. Now enter your password to reset all your settings. Reset all your settings means it will never destroy any other data like photos, videos and other document. It will only reset your all settings. After reset all the settings, then go back to your home screen and restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button and then swipe up to restart your device. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.